Hi coffee lovers, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to descale the DeLonghi coffee machine. And the point is why I'm making this video. First reason that I want to refer in future whenever I forget how to descale my machine. Because the area, the location I'm staying, the salinity of water is very high, due to which quite often I have to descale my machine. And the second reason, which is connected to the same, I will be trying a less expensive descaling tablet to descale my machine. Initially, I have used the DeLonghi descaling liquid, which is quite expensive than using these tablets. Now the second point which I want to mention over here, what is the reason why we need to descale? Is it important? Can we skip the descaling of a machine? I would highly recommend not to skip your descaling of your machine. Reason being, the salinity and the salts present in your water, what we are using for making our coffee, brewing our coffee, that will create scaling inside the machine, and which need to be cleared time to time. If you don't do it, your tiny pores inside the thermopod inside your machine will start getting choked. It will reduce the performance of your machine, and ultimately your machine will stop working. And I guess everyone don't want to happen with your machines. So let me tell you how we are going to use it. But before that, also there is one point which I want to mention. A lot of YouTube videos or online videos, you find that people are suggesting that you can use vinegar or citric acid for your machine as a home remedy for descaling. I would highly recommend that you should never ever go for these things. You should always go for a branded company descaler. First reason, the vinegar, it can leave the aftertaste in your machine. And secondly, the vinegar and citric acid will not be that strong, and you will just waste your time and it will not help, and the deposits will keep there inside the machine. So suggest you can go for a cheaper option, less expensive option, but from a branded reputed company. Like in this case, I'm going to use this from Bosch and Siemens. It is made in Germany, original product. And in this, what they are providing is, they are providing 3 pouches like this, which is having 2 descaling tablets. So each time we need to use both the tablets. Okay, so let us see what we need to do for it. First of all, we need to have a bowl to collect the descaling liquid, which will come out from your cappuccino outlet. And I will also use some arrangement to ensure this water will not splash, okay, so that the bowl will be very close to the outlet. Second thing, please ensure do not keep the filter holder connected. Reason being, we also want this area also to be descaled. So time to time we will get the descaling liquid out from the cappuccino side as well as the espresso side. So you need to keep a mug over here, and then you need to start your machine, and you will see the lights are blinking. And by the time your machine is getting ready, I will take this container out. You make sure you fill it completely till the max level of your machine. Open it. Open this tablet. Just a little bit crushed. Try not to touch by your hand. It can give irritation to your skin and can cause some irritation to your eyes. Just put both the tablets inside, and you need to wait till the time you can see both the tablets are completely dissolved. It's already started getting dissolved in the water. You need to wait for roughly 5 minutes, and when you can see it's completely dissolved and you cannot see it down below, that is the time you can start your descaling cycle. So guys, as you can see, the descaling tablet is now totally dissolved. So now is the time you can connect it back to its original position on the machine. Okay, so meanwhile our machine is already ready. If you can see, both single and double cup light is blinking. It's not blinking, it's lit. At the same time, the steam button is blinking in orange, which is the sign that you need to descale your machine. So now, to set up your descaling cycle, you need to press it for 10 seconds. The steam button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the time you will see that all these 3 buttons are blinking in sequence. That shows now your machine is ready for the descaling. So please ensure that everything is ready and in place. What I have done is I have taken some water in this so that the descaling liquid will go in this and it will not splash everywhere. Guys, now that your machine is ready for descaling, you need to ensure before you press this button for starting your descaling, you need to shift this steam knob to the on position. Then only you press this button to start your descaling, otherwise the system will not work. Okay, so let us press this button and start. So guys, you can see it is splashing all over. That is the reason I have kept some water, and let me put it in such a way that this thing should not come out. Okay, the cycle is already started. And time to time what we need to do, we need to just turn this knob on this side and the water will start coming from here. That way we can descale both the sides, the espresso side as well as the cappuccino side. Okay, and then put it on this side, and you need to wait till the time your tank is completely empty. Okay guys, as you can see, the cycle is automatically stopped. Why? Reason being, the tank is completely empty, but this button is still flickering, it is still glowing, blinking. That shows that the cycle is not complete. Why? Because we need to get the whole thing rinsed with the fresh water. You need to clean this tank, put fresh water in this one, fresh and clean water, fix it again, and then start and press this button again. I've filled it with the clean fresh water now. So I will put this tank back in place. And now I will put this again in the same location, on position, and I will press this button again. So as you can see, the cycle started again, but this time it is descaling. No, it's not descaling at the moment, it is cleaning it. Okay, the cleaning of the whole system is started, and you again need to wait for some time till the time the tank is completely empty. Again what we do is, we will turn this knob on the other side so that we can also clean this area as well, time to time in between. So there will be series of pauses and rinsing cycle, and once this is complete, your machine is good to go for making your espresso and cappuccino. Guys, now that this light is not blinking anymore, that means the descaling cycle is complete. Now what I've done is I've taken some fresh clean water again, just to check whether we are getting enough steam and to know whether our machine is working and ready to go to make the espresso and cappuccinos. Okay, so let us put it on the steam, and just put it on the steam on, and voila, the machine is ready and good to go. Thank you. So guys, that's all for this video. If you like this video, press the like button. You can share it with your family and friends. And if you have some feedback for me so that I can make better videos like this, please mention in the feedback. Thank you. Bye-bye.